What's up everybody, Jay Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, go and subscribe to the channel. Those who are returning, hey, thanks for coming back, I appreciate it. So today's video, we're going to pick up where we left off yesterday. Sublimation made easy. More in particular, substrates. This is going to be anything from mouse pads to puzzles, water bottles, I mean, hey, pet rocks if you got them. I mean, the list goes on and on. This is where sublimation takes the cake. I mean, this is going to be your go-to. DTF, not really going to work here. So today we're going to be using these puzzles and mouse pads provided to us by Heat Transfer Warehouse. As always, if you're interested, the link is in the description below. So our press is 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Once it gets the temperature, we'll get this pressed and we'll get you out of here. Hey, how's it been? Nah, not you. I just seen you yesterday. The one in the back. That's what's up. Yeah, so 400 degrees, 60 seconds. Okay, so our press is at 400 degrees. We're going to go ahead and press our mouse pad first. Now when dealing with sublimation, you want to have your parchment paper, butcher paper, or copy paper. One piece to protect your platen or the bleed through on your garment if you're using a shirt. Your image. Now, when dealing with substrates, if you don't have a template, what you're going to need is a ruler, of course. And you're going to want to measure the dimensions of your substrate. You want to give yourself a little bit of room to work with. And you can, depending on what kind of printer you have, it's going to be an offset or a bleed. That way when you're lining it up, there's less room for error. And we'll get our heat tape. You're going to have a second piece to protect the top of your platen. And again, it's going to be 60 seconds, 400 degrees. Heat Transfer Warehouse has also got tumblers, water bottles, so we will be doing some of this in the future. Got your wine tumbler or spritzer, also available. Heat Transfer Warehouse, links in the description below. And this is extremely hot. We'll move on to the puzzle. Same thing, we'll have your parchment paper, butcher paper, etc. And now when dealing with the puzzle, you want to make sure that you have your glossy side facing upwards, as that is going to be your sublimation area. Same thing goes for the image. .400 degrees, 60 seconds, firm to medium pressure. So how's it going out there? Long time no see. TGIF, by the way. This is my first time pressing a puzzle, by the way. So total disclaimer. But hey, that's the fun part, right? Trial and error. Fingers crossed though. Once again, these are available at Heat Transfer Warehouse. The link's in the description below. Not too bad. Once again, this has been Jay Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to be kind to one another.